Hello everyone, my name is NFX and I'm a longtime advocate and user of FL Studio. Welcome to the FL Studio Core Fundamental video series. I want to make it clear that this series will not cover any intermediate or advanced topics. It's meant to be a starting point for the FL Studio newbie. Now, whether you're an established music maker or a hopeful starter, if you need some guidance on how to navigate FL Studio, this is a good starting point. So what is FL Studio and how do you make music with it? Well, FL Studio is a powerful digital audio workstation, also known as a DAW. It lets you create, arrange, and produce music. Think of it as your digital studio, where you can load sounds, sequence them, and shape them into a full track. On the screen you see an open project that I've made. There are various windows that you can see, and this series will cover the most basic features, including the toolbar and hint bar, the browser, the channel rack and patterns, playlist, and mixer. Now, at its core, music is about combining different instruments, melodies, etc., layering them together in a structured way to create a complete song or a beat. And FL Studio gives you the tools to do just that, whether you're making hip-hop, EDM, or any other genre. Now, there's no single right way to use FL Studio. Different producers have different workflows, and there can be many ways to accomplish various tasks in FL Studio. My goal is to give you a starting boost into the world of FL Studio. And in this series, I'll be sharing the methods I find to be efficient and beginner friendly, so you can get started quickly and easily. So let's go ahead and jump in. Watch the next video, and soon you'll be making music.